Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will analyze the post-market behavior of Banknifty. Uh, so today mainly Banknifty was in the range of 43,600 to 43,500. Initially we saw a gap up of around 4 to 500 points, but that was a fake move uh, in the Bank Nifty. Whoever booked the profit in the first candle may have seen a loss because of the long short position the traders made, mainly the writers. The move was perfect to keep the momentum on the upside, but as we have already mentioned the levels for trading. So 43,300 was the one which is not crossed in the first candle, and after that there was a rebound from the first candle itself, long candle which we you can see here. So Bank Nifty moved towards 43,600 zone as we predicted yesterday. Then there was a slight downside movement till 43,450 somewhere around. Then most of the time Bank Nifty remains within the range of 43,450 to 43,600. It tried to cross again 43,600, but that was again just a shadow, not a kind of volume based trading was done there. In the last, there was some downfall we can see of somewhere around 150 points. It went till 43,420. But again, the levels which we suggested or analyzed is still remains. Bank Nifty still remains above those levels. 43,300 is the level which was the crucial level above which we were expecting 43,500, which came today itself. Now the question comes is like, will Bank Nifty make a all-time high in upcoming sessions? So see, the momentum is definitely towards upside. The only pressure, or you can say the situation is coming because of the high call side riding, and Bank Nifty is daily moving in one trajectory, not neither more upside nor downside, but slowly it is going towards the upside here, as you can see from the 10th of May's lows was around 42,800, which was again a fake move. But again, Bank Nifty got the momentum and it crossed 43,700 in the first candle itself. So definitely there is a more upside moves are still pending, which we can see in upcoming session. So as expiry was there, so this was not uh, any one side expiry. Uh, Whoever took positions in calls or buys put side, definitely they made some profits today. But the good thing is our levels are still maintained. But base level is quite far from 43,500 right now. But again, tomorrow is Friday, and what I can see from the charts and the SGX Nifty is that uh, there is chances of gap down tomorrow. Gap down means not a big gap down maybe, but there will be a gap down. 43,300 may breach tomorrow, and 43 again retested tomorrow. There is a slight chances of this to happen, but again the momentum is towards the all-time high. So if you get the opportunity to buy anything, any trades, then definitely I'll suggest to go with it and buy a 43 call or 43,500 call when the market opens downside. For the if at all there is a gap up, then again Friday sessions is mostly a boring session. Not much happen. It depends, means how the move will go. So if it is a range bound, then definitely the range will be again 43,300 to 43,600, or maybe 42,200 to 43,500. And if we breach, or if we cross this 43,760 60 or 50, I think, tomorrow, then definitely we'll see 44 tomorrow itself. So this is my prediction for tomorrow, and based on the analysis, my levels will be again the blue lines which you can see. For the upside, 43,700 will be over 1 T1, 43,900 will be over T2, and 44,200 will be over the all-time high. For the downside, again 43 will be our base level. 43,300 is T1, 43,100 will be our T2, 42,900 or 43 is our base level. So if it breaches, then definitely we can see a move towards maybe this green line doji candle which we saw on yesterday's session. So 42,800 will be the last trading bear side zone, buy sell zone, you can say, or you can say a put buying zone. So this is all about for tomorrow, and Friday is mostly boring sessions, but as we have some election based news is coming from the Karnataka, so maybe not tomorrow, but maybe on Monday we see any either of the side moves. So that we will analyze in tomorrow's video, which I'll share with you in the night. And before that, we'll just focus on the Friday's sessions, which will happen tomorrow, and we will try to capture any more good trades, and we'll definitely make some profits tomorrow as well. So till then, keep liking and keep sharing my videos, and again it's a request to trade with the levels. Don't go blind with the trades. There is uncertainty again in the bank nifty market. Global cues is indicating a negative start, so just be cautious and trade precisely. Just maintain the levels and buy as per the levels I have suggested. And most importantly, keep the eyes on the opening, and and just a request to subscribe my channel, and ask others as well to subscribe, so that they can be stay updated with all the happenings that is going around the bank nifty and the banks. So till then, tomorrow we'll meet in the night. So till then, let's wrap up this session, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day and good night.